The DC Kite Festival is a display of pure, unadulterated, beautiful chaos. First, you must carefully navigate through the massive, enthusiastic crowds, but the views with the cherry blossoms are totally worth it. Everyone is trying their best to get that perfect, memorable family photo. The entire sky surrounding the majestic monument was completely clear. It was so windy, the cherry trees claimed a few victims. Getting these things in the air was a real workout. Luckily, they thoughtfully had a dedicated kite doctor tent for any emergencies. People were getting essential tune-ups and actively making brand new kites. A little bit of expert help goes a long way. Once they catch the wind, it is amazing. There were so many incredibly creative and strikingly huge kites flying. This exceptionally long, vibrant blue one was definitely my absolute favorite. Look up to see how many are there. And the highly skilled professional teams performing were completely next level. What a perfectly executed, undeniably patriotic display unfolding near the monument. It was like a choreographed dance in the sky. Such a great way to spend a day with family. What is the coolest kite you've ever seen? Let me know.